Sullivan. I'm originally from Southbury, Connecticut, USA, but I spent most of my time around Connecticut and New York City as well. Well, Beau Bakery is an artisan bakery in mostly South Jakarta, but we'd like to think we're an entire Jakarta bakery. We produce high quality and wholesome baked goods for all the rakyat Indonesia. Oh, today, I was making pretzels. These are actually exactly the soft pretzels we make at Beau Bakery. I think growing up, I really like eating pretzels. Like in New York City, you eat a lot of pretzels on the street from like hot dog vendors, but also if you grew up in any Midwestern town, you eat a lot of Auntie Anne's. So these pretzels here are actually kind of a combination of both. Like a traditional German Lauge pretzel would have, it's a bit more hard. It's still soft, but actually it's a bit more hard. And I think this is a good compromise between Auntie Anne's and like a traditional German pretzel. Because the outside you see is really nice and dark and bitter, and these are made with lye water, as a traditional pretzel would be, but the inside is more buttery and more soft, like an Auntie Anne's pretzel, which I think appeals more to myself and also more towards the Indonesian audience. And so far they've been a pretty good seller so far. I really like eating them. It's been really great, actually. I've worked with other ovens before that are similar to this, and actually they were a bit harder for me to use. The interface over here is actually really quite easy to use. It's very actually intuitive, a bit like when you're doing an iPhone and you just know how to do it. He showed me how to do it, but even before he showed me, I totally got how to use the interface. And then it comes up to temperature really quickly, and it bakes the product really fast as well. Fast and really evenly too. For instance, I think these pretzels over here, just the traditional shaped pretzels, only took about 7 minutes at around 170 or 150 degrees, which is actually quite quick for pretzels, and they turned out perfect. Very soft, but already cooked all the way through. So I was really surprised about that. Everything else cooked really well and really perfectly, nothing burnt, thankfully. And in terms of the blast chiller over there, I thought that was really good. I was really surprised, because when you're making pretzels, oftentimes you need to freeze them first to set the shape like that. And when I used that freezer over there, the blast chiller, it froze it, I think within 2 minutes or so, 2 or 3 minutes. And that's actually quite fast. And it came up to temperature quite fast too, which I was really impressed by. I would definitely suggest the Skyline Combi Oven or Blast Chiller to any restaurateur or bakery. It's a really easy and fast way, I think, to make good quality products. And it's very easy to use, which I really like. And it's very accurate too.